Hello everyone, this is lecture 8286. We'll discuss some other articles, that is in plastic design, lambda. This is terminology used in plastic design. This is called load factor. What is load factor? Load factor is nothing equals to W collapse load, means WC you can say divided WA. WC into WA. So if you multiply by this thing WC by WA, that is collapse load, divided by working load. So if you multiply by 1 by 4 into L, both sides, 1 by 4 WC into L divided by WA into L by 4, will get MP divided by MY. Yeah, you can say MY, M working, MY. But if you calculate this MY means working stress. This is nothing Z into your stress. That is stress, that is working stress. Working stress is nothing. This is your working stress. If you denote by FA equals to your working stress, that is Fy divided by some factor of safety. Fa is equal to Fy divided by factor of safety. So your lambda equals to MP upon Fy, Fa, that is Fy divided by factor of safety. So this is your factor of safety. This MP is equal to Fy into Zp. So this will be your Fy into some factor of safety. This is your MP. This is MP by this is factor of safety Fy into Z. Z will be there. This Fa is Fy upon Fas, and this My equal to Z stress, that is Fa. So this will be like this, Fy into Z. So this is your Zp upon Z multiplied by some factor of safety. So Zp by Z is nothing. This is your shape factor multiplied by FOS. So lambda equals to your factor of safety multiplied by your shape factor. So this may be asked in examination. So this you try to understand. This is collapse load divided by working load, and we have done multiply 1 by 4 into L. So we are getting MP by My. So MP by My is Z stress divided by A, working stress. Working stress means Fy by factor of safety. So by using this formula, we can always find out this lambda, that is factor of safety multiplied by safe factor. So lambda is a load factor is nothing, factor of safety, which we are using for working stress, and multiplied by safety factor. So this is all. Please go through and try to understand. Thank you for very much.